I want to introduce you to one of the rarest typewriters ever. I'm super impressed. This is a very unique style. So this is the number 3 Fox typewriter, and it actually works. It has these cool, it strikes upward, the keys strike upward. You couldn't type and see what you were typing at the same time, which is kind of a disadvantage. So you would have to pull up this carriage in order to see what you were typing, and the ink reels are ginormous. Look at this thing. Here's the listing for the Fox number 3 in the National Museum of American History, the Smithsonian. This listing doesn't contain the base block that mine actually has. So I actually have, once cleaned up, literally just cleaned, a better than museum grade, extremely rare typewriter, and I'm very excited about it. I'm really excited about it.